Today we'll be talking about Ollama. What if I told you that you can run a ChatGPT-like AI completely offline, on your own laptop, no API keys, no subscriptions, and no internet connection? In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Ollama to run powerful large language models locally, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your own local AI running in minutes. Ollama is a lightweight tool that lets you run open-source large language models directly on your computer. Instead of calling cloud APIs like OpenAI or Anthropic, Ollama runs models like LLaMA 3, Mistral, Gemma, and Phi locally. This means better privacy, zero usage cost, and full control over your AI. It works with Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it is extremely simple to use. Before installing, let's quickly talk about the system requirements. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM to run smaller models, but 16 GB or more is recommended for better performance. Each model can take anywhere from 3 GB to 10 GB of disk space. A GPU is optional. Ollama works perfectly fine on CPU as well. Let's start with the installation. Open your browser and go to ollama.com. Once you reach this site, you can go to the download and click on installation. Select your OS and your installation will start. Post-download, you can go to the download section of your laptop or computer. You can click on Ollama Setup, execute the file, follow the setup instructions, and complete the installation. That's it. Ollama installs as a background service, so you don't need to manually start a server. Post-installation, now let's verify that Ollama is installed correctly. To do that, you can open your PowerShell or terminal and you can type the command ollama -- version. If you see the version number, Ollama is successfully installed. Now comes the fun part, running your first local AI model. To download and run LLaMA 3.2, type Ollama run LLaMA 3.2. Looks like I typed in Ollama 3.2 instead of LLaMA 3.2. Let me try again. Now it is downloading and installing. The first time you run this, Ollama will download the model. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll instantly enter a chat interface. Let me talk to it by typing hello. The model is giving response. And just like that, you're running a powerful LLM locally, fully offline. Ollama supports many models. You can see the model name and its description from the Ollama site. You can just install and run that model by using OllaRun command. Smaller models run faster while larger models give better responses. You can choose based on your system and use cases. Ollama isn't just for chatting in the terminal. It also exposes a local API that you can use in your own applications. By default, Ollama runs on localhost port 11434. Here's a simple example using curl. If you're on PowerShell, you can just type in the below command and you can run it. As you can see from the screen, it is giving a response. This makes Ollama perfect for building chatbots, RAG systems, or integrating with tools like LangChain. I'll cover that in a future video.